Oh, hi! So in today's video I'm gonna do two things. First I'm gonna plant some Snapdragon seeds, and then secondly I'm going to plant a new Clematis that I bought yesterday at the local garden center. So let's do this. So it's late March, early April, the beginning of spring. It's the perfect time to get some seeds started, either inside or in your garden, or like in my case on my balcony. And I went to my local garden center yesterday and I got these Snapdragons. It's just a mix of Snapdragons, and they're called Löwenmaul in German, which is kind of like a lion muzzle. So a bit of a different name, the German equivalent to Snapdragons. Anyway, and when you look at it closely, you can see that you can plant Snapdragons in February and March inside, and sow them April to May outside. So that's what I'm going to do, and they're going to bloom from June to October. I got these nursery cans ready that I just had left over from previous purchases, and I just put some normal potting soil into these nursery cans, and the first thing I have to do is to water them. So I just lightly water the soil. Then I will just open the packaging with the seeds. I can show you what the seeds look like. Very pretty. I think the packaging says that they're up to 200 in the pack. Okay, and now you can seed them. So you just take them and gently place them on the soil. And I mean, you can't see them now because the soil is too dark, but yeah, and if you want to, you can water it in again, but that's as simple as it gets. And now I will do it for the remaining nursery pots. Okay, this has been pretty much a matter of less than 10 minutes. Super easy to seed them, and I will keep you updated and show you the process of these Snapdragons. Very excited. The next thing I want to do is to plant this Clematis that I bought yesterday. Clematis in German are called Waldrebe, and this is a Clematis the President. Can you see this beautiful dark purple with light white stripes along the leaves? Very beautiful. I'm in love with Clematis, nearly as much as I love Heucheras, but I haven't had one on my balcony, so very important that I bought one. Yeah, they bloom between May and September. They don't want full sun, especially the root ball shouldn't be in full sun, but rather in like semi-shade or shade. And you can see there's already quite a lot of growth on my Clematis. So let's plant it. So this is the pot that I got for my Clematis, and let's get it out of its nursery can. Ooh, you can see it has like a really thick root system. I wouldn't say it's necessarily root bound, but yeah, I think it's good anyway to get it out of its nursery can. I think I need to make more space. So I potted the Clematis, and as I mentioned, it doesn't want too much direct sun, especially on the root ball. And I think I would like to place it right behind this chair so it can climb along this railing. It has not too much direct sun, and I think it would look very beautiful if I can have some clematis blooms behind me when I sit on this chair. Before I place the clematis there, can we just take a look at this glorious tree? I've got such a great view from my balcony at the moment. It really is stunning. Okay, let's place it there. Yes, I think that's generally quite a good spot. And now we'll just untangle the clematis and drain it a little bit along the railing. So I removed all the dead wood, and as you can see, I drained the clematis along the metal railing. One here, one further in the back, and then I'm gonna try to drain this clematis along this white pole. Yeah, and that's the final result. You can barely see the clematis behind me. There it is. Yes, so I can't wait for the clematis to grow behind me, so I have beautiful flowers in my background. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I see you soon. Bye bye.